Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I need some An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's day.
That's the reason I'm going with him, because I see the boy have me and the girl be with the same Raga.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl be with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Aganeering because we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. What a rhythm, sweet.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ready more. Gotcha. Take it down. Bless up, people. Bless up. Night, people. Night. Good night. Good night, Jamaica people. Good night, Jamaica. Up, so, wrong, so, down, so, over, so. Hey, we could feature parish each night we touchdown. Yeah. We could feature parish each night we touchdown. So, the first parish we feature tonight, Panda night, is St. Mary. Big up St. Mary. I'm a Mama parish, so we have a big up Mama parish. You don't know. So, when I want to get it twisted, if you parish now get. Prezi, what is your parish in Jamaica? Where your people them come from? Eh? What is your parish, Prezi? Where your people then come from? Wallanda. Where your people then come from?
They come from Kingston, 13.
Kingston,
Waltham.
What? Prezi, I saw your family a roll. Yeah? You know Kingston 13. You know, see a sample here that at Kingston, don't you know that? Whole heap of history attached to Kingston 13. Man, I think that's the boy Glamour and come from too. Yeah. You know? But the Obia when him get to stay young is not from Kingston. That's from St. Thomas. No, Kingston. At St. Thomas that come from. At St. Thomas him go get that from. But at Kingston. Yeah. So you don't really know no other parish like that.
No.
At Kingston.
I mean, West. I have some family at Westmoreland.
Green. What? Yeah. What them links say here, President? No, President, you don't say I move mystic from them. Kingston 13 and Green Westmoreland, you know, I will pass something go on there saying a President.
Yeah, you know.
All right, don't say another word. Big up President, you know. You understand, President, the technical person, right? You send him a big selector to and all these things, so you don't know. A President really, me present on the show, you know, but a President run the show. A President know what go on and all these things. See it there? People don't see me there, all I risk my life all this time and don't even know. At Kingston 13, the man come from. See, them, my head back could I get slapped where I don't even know. You see how much time I bust Liberty Pan Prezi? I don't even know. So the man is a K13 man, you understand? Anyway, we're there. I say, well, I always have a mix-up we work with, but we take the call them same way with any mix-up we have. And a wedding mix-up with the pan. Wedding mix-up. Any drama want to know go on a wedding. We can call in and share. Give it a link, and just share it without fear or favor. All right, and keep it real with the mix up and thing. And I don't know, so now if you keep it thing clean and sitting and that's how the thing set. All right. So wedding mix up or engagement mix up, anything to do with wedding mix up or engagement mix up. Any drama will happen when somebody get engaged. If you know somebody engaged child 23 years, call and tell we. You know, if you know a little yamed out there, I put the man and I say she engaged 3 man at 23 years now she engaged. Or 46 years, I'm exaggerating, but you get the point, right? Right? Just give it a link. If you know about any drama we're going on a wedding, you understand? Give it a link, right? Real thing. Me know one chauffeur who drive the car from the couple were married. But the chauffeur are the woman regular taxi man, right? She not really have a car, so a taxi she juggle with. And you have some people at Jamaica, them just have a taxi man where it's almost like them charter the taxi man. So the man they ever juggle and a carry anywhere she want go. And him end up, she and her man where she did there with who she married to and the man become her husband. And them say, nah man, I will link that and whatever. And him end up with the chauffeur for the day of her wedding. Right? So, you know what I say? This she and the taxi man are do so long time. She and the taxi man are do so long time. And when she did reach at the wedding now, you know, so the bride, you know, them, me not agree with this, but me just tell you what the world say. Supposedly, wedding is about the bride. It's not about the groom. It don't make sense to me, you know. That don't make sense to me. But the way we're socialized to make this thing is that the wedding is more about the bride and less about the groom. In my opinion, that is not a good way for you start something called marriage. You're supposed to have value the two people at the same time. But who am I to venture my opinion on these matters? But in general, women get the preference in terms of who is more special than who and them something. But anyway, so part of the woman being special is that the man must stand up and wait in the church. I saw them say wedding for run. He groom for stand up and wait. And them have this thing here now too. No found to know about this. Say, the groom fear sweat. And I wonder if a bride will come, right? No, somehow, not everybody follow up this, but I'm just telling us some things, like the premise or some of the reasoning with the back of wedding is that the groom for there and look. And then the best man for there, kind of pat up him face and I say, no worry man, share forward, and all these things and whatever. So that's a part of supposedly the storyline that is supposed to be unfolded when wedding are going. Now you know them all them other things about pink and blue and all them something they do or whatever. So there was this thing where because and I mean tell do but me hear the mix up. But the taxi man said she said when no. The maid of honor tell her say she not for going on time. That bride not for going on time to the wedding. Maid of honor tell her say no, if you late little bit man. You can't go in on time. No bride not for going on time. If you make people wait and then you make a grand entrance and all these things and whatever. So the maid of honor tell her that. So how we go now? Are the maid of honor and the other people them go in first after them today they wait with them and all them something. So them go in and then something happen the maid of honor come back and say you have to go wait about 10 minutes because whatever. So she said, all right, shall wait 10 minutes. So the brother said, the taxi man, I tell the mix up, so me get it. So the man said, when she wait, she said to the taxi man, say, boy, all them stress you upon me and thing. When them make me go in and whatever. Because she want to go in and just get the marriage done and all these things. And she said, boom, you know what? I'm kind of stressed right now. I need for cool down and whatever. And she drive for the taxi man right there in her car. And the taxi man, I tell her, I said, B, I know, say, me and you juggle long time and we are doing thing. And, but I your wedding day, man. Just go easy now, man. Not today, man. And you there. And she said, me no business. Me no business. And she start going and thing. And the dog say, him have to just go over and climb over the seat and, you know, and put one pan her, you know, proper it up and way. And the whole time and whatever him say, a skill have to go on for not to make his dress crush up and all them something there and thing. And what I'm saying, you know, but I don't know what, remember say, man, them a do them thing long time, you know, but he must say, no, she should not do it on the wedding day, you know, as if say, you know, well, I don't know, I guess, yeah, you can make an argument, say, yeah, do it on any other day, but she shouldn't do it on the wedding day. But some people, I say, yeah, it's bad anyway, because they never do them thing long time and whatever, this and that and thing and whatever. But when we are here, you know, she and the man still married up to that time then, when we did get the mix up. This a few years after. Them done married already, you understand? Yeah. And Miss Lady do her thing on the wedding day in the car when she wait for walk in, right? And I think it was her uncle did that give her away. That's something there. Somebody have to give her the bride type of thing, which itself is sexist and demeaning. The whole notion about having a man to give away the woman to another man and them something there. I hope my daughter not grow and follow up that something. Well, I don't know. I guess that's something I'm proud for do, but I'm going to tell my daughter, you know. Yeah, I say, Jide, hear what I say? You see this thing about the father to give away the bride? You see, if you want me to do it, I'm going to do it. Right? But I don't want you to follow up that something with them. I'm going to tell my daughter that. Me love you regardless. And me not gonna feel any less if you say, you know, say, Daddy, me never want you come boy, yeah, give me away, right? I'm gonna tell my daughter, you're not something to give away. I know some people say tradition. I mean, enough people follow tradition. People just get up and follow tradition. People not think about tradition. A lot of people don't think about tradition. Them just, everybody do it so them do it so. But I am going to tell my daughter that you are your own woman. And when you're married, there's certain things that have to happen, you know, in terms of respecting your husband and them look at something there and don't emasculate your husband like some of them so-called woke women. But at the same time, I put up with a foolishness from no guy, even your husband. I make your husband come abuse you or nothing. And sometimes some of them things, them start setting certain way from certain traditions where them tell people to follow. Right? Because if you ever tell a woman, say, she's this object that must be given away, it's a sort of way you communicate. So she was property of someone before, and she's now being transferred as property to somebody else. Now, anybody know about cultures all over the world, you know, say, a regular something of them a thing with bride price and all them things there all over the world. But as a parent, me I go tell my daughter, say, I suggest you don't join that something about me to give you away. You can walk up that aisle by yourself, my girl, because you're going to be a strong woman. And when you walk up that aisle, that man for know say, he might get somebody who independently chose to be with him. So him can at any point, whether consciously or unconsciously, come relate to you in any way. I feel that certain principles of ownership reinforce in my mind because you're mine now. Your father give you away to me, so it's me who own you now. Them look a subliminal thing they can have a look at impact on you and all them something there, right? Him for know say you make a decision for day with him. And if him farm fool, you make a decision for run with that. You understand? Me don't want to do that something about give away my daughter. After, you know, me don't own my daughter. I mean, I want my daughter believe any man who own her. She not supposed to even believe she her father won her. She fi know say her father back her no matter what. A guy sparks and go on too bad and whatever this and that. A certain things that can reach him. But then every little thing, you know, because certain things may come up with my daughter, I'll come run. I say, B, you know, say, I love you, you know, you're my daughter, you know. But you're a big man now, you're a married man, you know, you have to go manage that one yourself, you know. Right? I know why my daughter feels so she have to run to me for every little thing. Because she have to learn to solve problems herself. What TDG said, most parents worry about what they're leaving to their children when they should worry more about what they're leaving in their children. So to that end, you must arm your children them with the necessary skills in order to survive in this world. And some of those skills are not necessarily something physical, but also cerebral, mental, psychological. And those very often are the ones that are more important, more critical in terms of empowering an individual to be independent and to be able to be creative and ingenious when they need to be in order to ensure their survival. You know, that's something that give somebody a fish, them eat a day, teach them to fish. Them can eat whatever. So that's my responsibility to all my children, including my daughter. But if she insists on it, me I do it for her. Do it. She said, Daddy, you know what you're saying, or whatever, in your book thing, or where you learn. But me want you to come do it for me. I'm going to do it for her, you know, because, you know, I'm weak to them way they think. But anyway, wedding mix-up with it, and wedding mix-up or any other mix-up on have on call in and give it something. Watch out. Good night. Hello.
What go on?
Man, there you know, where you say?
There and let's give a shout out now. I'm glad to see the back on the thing. I was the fourth day.
Saying?
Yeah, man. I'm not really on the mix-up thing, but I go on and listen to the show more while.
All right.
Yeah, man. So that's big up everybody and go on all the fourth.
All right, Papa. Respect for the healings and thing. All right, blessing.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah, thanks to that, you know. Brethren said, glad I and I forward on the radio and there. Next call. Hello.
Hello, good night. I'm just calling to say it's a beautiful day. The ravens are playing. I know your team not look too bad this year still enough.
Well, you say Raiders fan them case, no?
No, man, on a offense and defense kind of set up nice, but your quarterback have a little bit of issues.
Oh, are the same?
But that don't matter because, you know, it's Purple Nation. It's Purple Nation
whatever.
Purple Nation over here.
Whatever. Your man not on the team anymore. Ray not on the Ravens anymore, so nothing I go on.
Look here, Ray and I have an understanding.
Yeah, Ray and you have an understanding. How you feel? Same did I support Donald Trump. How you feel about that? You still love him up?
I mean, people in relationships can have different political views and it still work.
Yeah, but Donald Trump.
We don't have to agree.
But Donald Trump.
I mean, he has his political view. I have mine.
Yeah, but Donald Trump
makes the relationship work.
Yeah, but Donald Trump.
Yes, sir.
Oh, God, all right.
If Ray wants to support Donald, let Ray support Donald, you know.
All right, listen to me now. I want some
all
wedding mix-up our
end. When our head hit the pillow at night, we're good. Lord, look at Purple Nation.
No, when your head hit the pillow, you talk like when your forehead up on the pillow or your head back?
Well, forehead, you know. Sometimes you have to put it over your face to scream and wake up people. But, you know, but anyway.
Indeed.
Follow up your arms out.
Yeah.
But, you know.
So, right. I want engage. We're not talking about football. I want some engagement mix-up or wedding mix-up now. What go on?
Then I have none of them something there. Other than when my sister they got my cousin wedding and the man did mic up, she go up there go tell the man about, you know, if you're not ready for this, we can make a run for it, you know, and it record on the
Hold on. How that go?
You know, they were.
Oh, so the mic open.
You know,
And what your sister go do?
yeah, so you know they were recording.
Right.
My sister, she took enough stuff, so I'm gonna tell my cousin about it. If he don't think he's ready for this, they can make a run for it. And when him and the wife.
And he go over the mic inside of the church, right?
Well, no, people didn't hear because they were recording. You know how the videographer was there. And then the videographer never even cut out that part. I guess he gave them the raw cut of it.
Right.
So the little bride must have did hear, and I gave his sister some side eye.
Oh, I give your sister some. But your sister was joking though, right?
I don't know, you know. And
well, with she, you never know. With your sister, you never know because, you know, fear head not too good sometime, you know. So with she, you never know. She liable to be quite serious. She liable to have been quite serious.
I just remember some auntie listening. Look here, I have to go. I just remember somebody listening. Look here.
All right, kids.
Rub out the part there. Aye, Mr. Man round the back. Can you rub out the part?
Rub out the part there. Rub out the part there. Rub out the part there, Prezi. You're lucky it shall be on Ragashanti World on YouTube tomorrow. Now look at you. Yeah, all right.
Me not call back over here. I'm going to text somebody asking if they're awake.
Whatever. All right, boo-boo. Take care.
Anyway, it's Purple Nation.
Whatever. Silver and Black. Raiders. All right then.
Bye.
Yeah, man. That's our word. Blessings. Okay, people, we are talking about wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up. All right, the next caller that me want. Wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up. Wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up. Some people have film something, some engagement thing on YouTube. Some of them are fake. But some of them put the person in some emergency situation and get the woman all exasperated. So police arrest him and all them something there and whatever and them thing there and then the man just back out the ring and whatever. But some of them videos when I watch them go too far, you know. Them go too far because some of them go so far, I wonder like if them, you know, the woman are going to end up all do something to the man, them who are threatening the man who she there with and thing. But, you know, I mean, it's a plan for him propose and whatever. But some of them think they go too far. Good night. Hello. Greetings.
Yeah, Ragashanti.
Yes, speak up, yeah.
Yeah, me know a lady one time now, she lived with a man and the man I got married, you know.
Yeah.
And she had pressed the suit, you know.
Well,
I'm a part. I'm baller and wait, yeah, man, you know, I'm a man I got wedding. I never put semen in my pants.
Well,
and the man I got married, you know.
Hold on. She iron the clothes and you say what?
Saying, wait, yeah, man, you know, I'm a man I got wedding. I never put semen in my pants. Never make him look good.
She said a man a go a wedding and she have to put semen in her pants to make him look good.
Semen in her pants, I also wear the pants, you know. And I put semen right, you know.
Oh, but in a fear mind, him just a go somebody else's wedding?
Wedding, then the man I got married.
Hold on, did she know say the man I got married?
No, man, she don't know.
Oh, okay. But me always I hear them story there, you know, because you have quite a few people that say, enough time woman a iron clothes some man and the man got married somebody else. But me hear it so often, it make me reach a point where I wonder if the story them are true or people just a tell over.
I see what things not tell you because me I'm out there, you know.
Yeah.
And me I'm out there, you know, that's why the man put on the pants and the jacket and the sleeves straight tonight, you know.
Yeah, but me know that. But me say, oh, you know, said the man I got married somebody else.
Then I friend go to see her and come back and come tell her, so then wait. You time with the again, time I can't name everybody I gonna know.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she said, yeah, man, then come to my last week. I said, no, man, let's come and book on the camera. You know, the man forget water for drink.
Water for drink. She flat now, faint wet.
Like a total knockout.
See, but when me say still, I always I hear that something there. And it's always the woman that iron the man clothes and the man got married somebody. No, hold on. Me actually know someone really goes so, you know. Me know one who really goes so for true. But the point that I make is that me hear it so often, me I wonder if people just tell over the story. Or is it the case that the man them out there so damn wicked that a regular thing man do? What you feel?
Regular thing, man.
You feel it's a regular thing, man, though? Live with a woman, have woman and go marry somebody else? You think it's a regular something?
Yeah.
You believe it's a regular something that man do?
Regular thing. Regular, come on and fall.
You not believe, say, in that regular, just people are tell over back his story, tell over back.
Regular thing, man. Regular.
You believe it's a regular thing that man do have them woman who them live with and thing and they with how long and go marry somebody else and the woman and make all the woman and press him clothes and prepare him clothes and think him a go meet and all them something there.
Look, my man have long distance relationship. I find a woman to me, I come marry to you, you know. See, I do everything and say, boy, I go stay at hotel because I know where to put her.
Yeah, but why you always, the most of the time here, the man them a do it, so the woman them not do it too.
Yeah, but the woman them will need to come out. Go and I need them up.
Alright, boy. Alright, I could see what anybody else say about it. Alright, bless up yourself here, sir.
Alright.
Wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up. We're going to break. We're soon forward. And when we're forward, we want to call in with wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up or some other sample slap we mix-up. Juggle back.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Up in the thing with the people, up in the thing with the wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up, wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up again. And while I wait for call, while I wait for call, I see that there's an increasing amount of women are proposed to man. I notice when the woman them do it, and you see some of the posts them with it and thing, you always have some woman under there. A desperate, she desperate. And which part of her not good, make sure I do that. You don't know what I refer to. Right? But down there not good, make sure if you propose. Hey, some ignorant statement them they wanna make, you know. Some backward reasoning them there, you know. You understand? Right? I don't know if you stop stigmatize a woman them man. If a woman feel like she must go up on her knee and propose to her man, just like a man go up on female knee and propose to him woman, what not gonna beat the woman for? What not gonna beat her for? Nothing wrong if a woman propose to a man and say, will you marry me? And nothing wrong if the man go say, I have to think about it. Yo, because enough man propose to woman and woman like, I don't know, whatever. So that happens. So nothing wrong if that happens to a part of life. But what would I like if you do a stop stigmatize the woman them who are proposed to man, right? So if Karen Harris proposed to her boyfriend, nothing wrong with that. If, you know, if Karen Eli proposed to her boyfriend, nothing wrong with that. If Del Marine proposed to her man, nothing wrong with that. Right? If Tamika Goodas Chambers proposed to her man, nothing wrong with that. If Cookies and Cream proposed to Creamy, nothing wrong with that. If Tammy Graham proposed to Creamy, nothing wrong with that. When if you start beat the woman, them who make them proposal, when, you know, do them look at engagement thing. And if a woman spend her money and set up an engagement party and all them something there. Look how Spice have a good Rasta man down at Atlanta. If Spice go so now, boom, and you know, spend her money pan her Rasta youth and propose to him. Nothing wrong with that. If Gracie go on her knee and go propose to the Rasta man, nothing wrong with that. Right? So big up all of the woman them who don't know what you want and go out fight. But celebrate to know. And if you don't get a no or so, and if you don't get a yes, big up on yourself. Because man, I go through them things the long time. Greetings.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Evening and night, Raga. When I come from a day, but I just hope some of my family members, them not just left on the line and listen still.
All right.
But I can't forget one little thing where we play at a 2 mile, I not call no name.
No name, all
but
right.
I have a friend, you see?
Yeah.
I have a friend we come from out a 2 mile there, and she did it with her man, you know, we are a young girl, have a boyfriend and everything.
Yeah.
And she get her family for fear to come to America, so she said she going to marry that man.
See.
So when she come back to Jamaica, the man done, by the time she become to America and there for a couple months, the man done bust woman a breed already. Moving the woman at the house. So she still come there whenever she come to Jamaica, the man move out the woman move out and go back with her mother.
Yeah.
When I take us like a tree picnic, get the girl one behind one another, tree under tree. And I'm a friend I hear say my woman I breed him say a lie.
Yeah.
So anyway, she come out and she married him to file for him.
Yeah.
When she married him and come back up, she get at them time that she had the picture with him and the baby mother on the tree. Look up boy them.
Backside.
So here what she do now, she just bust her breed America and go down there go give him the jacket. But I never really jacket still no cause she go down there for give him it. But she just go down there for hurt him and tell him say she a inbreeder and everything.
Yeah.
When my girl come back America, have a baby and put up on her Facebook, she and her baby father and put up her baby father and tag him in her it.
I you know someone forgot the tambourine since night. Oh, you're serious?
Dead ass.
So hold on.
Dead serious, brother.
So she didn't know what she had to do when she got down there and say, watch him like a mash up him head. So she make him own the youth and think a theme youth and everything good at him and come up.
And think a theme on.
So hold on, she didn't really marry him. So wait. Oh, so she didn't marry him from... Wait, at what point she married him when time him a breed up the other woman them? At what point she married?
After the tree picnic them, but you know our man more sweet.
Yeah.
You know our man more sweet.
Yeah.
Him tell whatever him tell her what she want to hear, so she believe.
Right.
So all she hear about him and the woman, you know, she never believe.
Okay.
But after the tree, the girl have three boy picnic, tree under tree, she just have them fast.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
But whenever this girl come to Jamaica now, him and the woman, him and the baby mother live together now, but whenever the friend girl come, baby mother move out her picture come off a wall.
Picture come off a wall and send her back her mother. Send her back her mother. Cause Goody come in.
She know we're going because when a girl come to Jamaica, you know, she come for a month, you know, so barrel, she come with barrels. She don't buy food at Jamaica, she come with barrels.
See it there.
You understand?
Yeah.
So she know where go on and there so fear food that come from, because you know, to get a life not easy. So woman and man planting too, you know.
Oh.
So she never mind, the baby mother never mind, so the girl that come, she just take away herself, because she knows, so when the girl gone, and while the girl let her, she'll get a little money in her pocket, same record, the boy
and then, like you said, when Goody fly down, she'll bring Walmart with her, so she knows that she have everything to get this.
Exactly.
So top down. Yeah.
Mister, when Goody coming on, when she land this Sunday, say the money them come from wharf.
Yeah.
I chuck off to carry up them barrel.
Backside, you know. Yeah. So how she finally prove now, say, confirm, say, really have a tree youth.
A picture, she say no. She say picture, video, everything. Somebody just pile up everything and send her here.
Backside.
Somebody pile up everything and send her here Florida.
Yeah.
But she did already married, but she not file for him. She just come up here and look like she did already have a man on the side too, you know, cause that the breed where she breed come fast, you know, medieval things say the boy I picked it too. Cause that the breed come fast, but look like she did already have a look spooky. You know, sometimes women have a what if man on the side, you know, you know what?
Stop right there, sir. No, stop right there, sir. Chris Rock call it a penis in a glass case, break in case of emergency, right? All women have a backup man. Every woman have a backup man. And when them friend ask them like, say, you him involved, do you know want to always say, no man, me and him just talk. Me and him talk. We just talk. Always woman have a backup.
I am man to keep you. If I ever over the phone, Raga. If I ever over the phone for when your man act up.
You want him act up, you can't talk to that man there and, you know, pour out your heart soul to that one.
Right.
So you say, he look like that man that he did.
I would have the right word to say, you know.
Cooler, man. Backside, you know. So she do that for spite him. Come down and give him the belly. Give him the belly.
And give the belly. You want to see him, you know? You want to see your proud and proud.
No, proud like a peacock, no.
But that's him, man.
Eh.
Play himself, man. Him play himself because him and the girl there before the girl left 2 miles.
Yeah.
You understand? And the girl from our family file for she said, me come back, come marry you.
Yeah.
Tree under tree him get the girl.
Why you have to be careful of them people who have tree picnic quick, you know, back to back to back. Them people, you see them people there who have picnic back to back to back. You know why me I say so, no?
No,
why me I say so? No, we. Why me I say that?
That's what your wife gave them, Raga. That's what your wife gave them.
Well,
That's what your wife gave them.
no, but no.
Raga.
Hold on. Hold on.
No.
No, but my wife, I two people me have with my wife, just so you know, the first one is with somebody else, just for clarification. But anyway, them come back to back.
Oh, never know.
No, well, you see it, you get clarification now.
Okay.
Well, then get back, back to back, you know? Right now, them are 6, 5, and 4. You see
Raga, you're bad, though, man.
No, we're not. We're not going there.
The tree picking them not. Why, Raga, you're bad, though. What do you know? Me get a look drama. What do you send me on the internet, Raga? You send me on the internet because what they say that you that deal with a girl, right?
Yeah.
And the song come and say I will catch a grenade for you coming in your head. So Raga, you want some so long that they sang the out, I'm gonna look up and see when they sang the out to save Raga did that. Raga make a mistake with them just a while ago. But long time I thought that from 2010.
Yo, you think it easy? So you research it and say, if I'm gonna make reference to that song there, let me see when that song they come out. And let me see how old in picnics come. I want to know if I burn Raga. Hey, yo, una sample. Hey, that body. Yo, that body that one not easy. You know? So when you say you just move to the internet right here, I need to research this. And when the song I look like Ragamount Slip. He look like Ragamount Slip. So when you see 2010, you say, oh, yeah, him lucky him get where.
Okay, all right. I'm serious, man, because this is not me thing so enough. If me a thing so enough, I got things so enough. Raga.
Yo, hey, what not easy, you know? When I sample it up, I tell you, and that's why I tell people all the while, you know. Me and some brethren, sometime, when time certain little thing go down, them start argue, and I chat. I'm always I try teach them. I say, listen, when we move to woman, and I argue with woman, but if them not just deny everything down and start ball, what them do? Them stop and wait first to see what you really know. Me wrong or me right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Listen,
and
yeah,
that
man,
woman
we
know.
first.
Woman them do some little thing.
We're not going to know extra.
Not going to nothing extra and just wait to see what you know because them woman are determined first how much you know and woman work from this. So you have some man just reel out and this and that and whatever. Keep by your mouth, man. Clutch. The other thing what Uno do, Uno will see a little movement, you know. And most women get mad and run to the man, you know. Them just use a moment and say, time for investigate.
Yes, man.
And then you just amass the information. How to pile up on a thing, and add up on a thing, and when you don't have enough, then on a plan on a movement and thing. Men don't need to learn from women. I'm telling you that all the while. Anyway, big up yourself.
You're right, I know what your ears know. Right, next time, I'm going to come on next time when you come because you see the topic where you're on.
Yeah.
I know the topic I really want to talk about, but next time I come back on and talk because when you talk about one of the, when the man and the woman them a give bun, and you find out, or you approach it. Because I don't approach it, I just quick scenario. My husband got Jamaica and meet one police woman, right?
Yeah.
And when I meet the police woman just has 10 food come America. So anybody come up, she send party. She saying this, she saying that. So anyway, I'm not getting no right. I'm not make my man know in the cause. I'm not make my husband know, so me know cause. If him admit to me, say we know a war, I'm going to decide, say that I'm going to go chop him, left or something. You can't know and sit down on it, so you know, cause them time the disrespect I go keep on coming. If you know and just sit down, so here what, I don't want him know, so me know. But the way I play my thing, I don't want, he not going to come to me, you know. Kind of want me if you know, say him know. You understand me?
Right,
so anyway, the girl not stop saying stuff. So yeah, what I do, I just go in there phone cause me I the same password, him no know. I didn't change him find it.
Jesus
you understand?
God, Lord of mercy.
So anyway,
on the area, go on talk.
Anyway, the girl sent party. So yeah, me reach out to the girl, you know. Me reach out to the girl.
What you mean you reach out to her?
Come on, she can know.
Yeah, what you say to her?
Me reach out to her with a picture. She sent a box of party for my husband, but my husband don't eat meat. She don't know because she just meet him.
Yeah.
So him send a box of beef patty, so I just take one patty things, take one bite and take a picture with the patty and send go and say thank you very much. So delicious. You understand me?
What you say? You just buy right when I party, take a picture and send them. I say, thank you very much. I send up a party. And me and them. And me and them party them. I mean, that's why you know. You think you can't come grind off my man for TST party? Hey, girl, you're bright. Anyway, go on, sir. Yeah, go on.
Sometimes for her birthday, I know her birthday because she texts him and say, remember, say, so and so my birthday. So that day, I make sure I make myself a busy plan.
Yeah.
Busy plan.
Busy that day.
Busy that day, them can't attend him phone.
Yeah.
So she call. That's why I say she call the phone.
Yeah.
Me just come. She don't lock my one on Facebook. She don't lock my number. Me lock her number. So the mama put up on WhatsApp. She can't see.
Yeah.
So me just put up on WhatsApp. I say call later. Cause I'm busy with me. She me put it for only she alone can view it.
Yo! Well, I know. You know, so before you go, you need to... Yeah, go on.
Me say everything when me do the girl, everything when me do the girl complain to me husband. I think him have to work to me because if him say something to me, that means say something I go on. But if him ignore it, that means me have to come to him then. You understand? So everything when me do, when me see she call, me screenshot her call, send it to my phone and send it to her. You understand? And put it up for she see it. And she cuss him and say, yeah, the woman I ignore me call, the woman whatever, and stop cuss, but he not say a word.
No, I said nothing to you. Well on. You say a thing, you know. You say a thing, you know, will come up and me tell people all the while, say, years ago, woman did say this to me, and I couldn't understand it. And that's something take me years to understand. I mean, I tell her like a woman teach me something. And it's a thing when it makes sense, right? But basically, me never understand what it go on when woman said, them know them man a cheat. And if them ask them man, and him deny it and tell lie, them know him still a cheat, but then them will warm and cuss him. But as long as him keep deny it, them say them going to stay with him. But them say the minute him admit it, kind of tying in a parallel to what you just said earlier, you know, like, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Say so some him a chat up to this woman and she a send him party and whatever. But you say, even though you know, you not say nothing to him, but any day him come admit it to you, and they say whatever. So somebody will listen to that and say, but then if you already know, you already confirm it. What's the difference if him come and tell you what you already know? But you additionally say,
no, it's a difference,
the minute explain the difference. Explain the difference. What is that difference?
You see, for me now, you see, if your man a cheat, and you're not going to know about it, make the man cheat in peace. If you ever find out the man a cheat, and you know do shit about it, leave the man.
Hold on. Maybe say you can't say that SH word there, yeah?
Sorry about that.
Yeah, so what you say?
Make him do him thing in peace, because at the end of the day, if your man a cheat on you, and you know about it, and you're not going to know about it, at them time, the cheating will come on, you know. At them time, that will come on in your face with no respect.
Oh, because him know say you know, and you know, do not about it.
Do not about it.
Okay, but even though you know, him can't still believe say you no know. And in that sense, him not gonna be. No, what I'm saying is your logic. Your logic is, if a woman there with a man and she knows that the man a born her, if she knows that she not gonna leave him and she not do nothing about it, allow the man make him born her, make him go and born her in peace, right? That you say. Right?
Exactly.
However,
we have to argue with the man, fam.
However, if you go argue with him, and then him end up and go say, yeah, me I do it. And if him go say, yeah, me I do it, and tell it to your face, say me I do it. And then you still go stay with him and you still not do nothing about it. You say you just give him license out for us. You just give him license out for us. Well, we can't do anything. When you say, really I made that now. Really I made this up. Backside.
Exactly.
Break it down, baby.
This is the reason why my husband never mentioned nothing about the text when me I do with the girl, you know.
Yeah.
It's because he don't know my reaction. Him scared of my reaction because if he mention it, he don't know me I go react. You understand? But if there was something he did before, if it was something that he did before, you understand, I'm gonna make it slide. He would have come and say, where I text the girl for? You understand them way there?
Yeah.
But he don't know my reaction. He don't know if I'm gonna pack up and leave. He don't know if I'm gonna get a stab, a shot, or a kick. Him don't know.
Hold on. Oh, you read this about a stab a shot or a
don't know the reaction, Raga. You don't know the reaction.
Ja, no, you think you're easy, but I stab a shot or a
thing,
kick.
No, Raga, this is the thing. This is the thing with my husband. A long time we don't know for we are look a picnic. And we're in our late 30s now.
Okay.
But you see, my husband and me,
Yeah.
after we been through.
See,
you understand me?
yeah.
He's a man who take care of me, send me to nursing school, tell me to quit my job and focus on nursing school when me a look a girl.
Nice.
Me and him a say, him a 1 year old and me and people that think they're older than me because this man do 2 jobs just to send me to school when me in my early 20s.
Wow.
You understand me?
Wow. I
Me not left him for nobody, so anybody, me not left him for nobody, you know.
Yeah.
And he not left me for nobody. So me not go kill up myself and out there argue with that girl. Me run and one and two, laugh off of you and me and my friend them laugh off of you and post up a rap post up getting in your head. You understand me? Because me know some husband now gone away.
Yeah.
He never sleep out at night if you can't catch him. If you get a one...
Hold on. So what you say? You 100% sure a girl can't whine with your husband?
No, this is the thing with women, you know. This is the thing with some girl. That's why them grab the side chick approach and they love it so much.
Yeah.
Because them know how to take somebody, man, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
They know how to take somebody, man, but them don't know how to take away or keep somebody, man.
See,
you understand?
See,
they can't take your man, you know, but they can't take away or keep. Them now, them characteristics, they take a long to keep a man, you know.
No, me talk it all the while. You have whole heap of man, them can't get any man. Them can't catch any man and thing, but can't keep him.
But can't keep the man.
Well, up to them, up to them, hold on. Well, up to them, I post something on IG with one woman attack, and she basically I say, she see all these selfish women on the internet all the while I talk about a man know, you know, to respect her and what she need and for respect her and be sensitive to her and whatever. And she say a lot of these women, you know, hear them come out and talk about say the man a human being too and him need somebody to understand those layers.
Me watch it for your IG. Me listen to it for your IG.
No, but you see what she talk about. All right. No, well on. And me I tell you say, as a man, me can't tell you that. Say the woman them who end up where all man I say, no, you know, so me can't leave that woman here and a chat about say, oh, I probably a tie, she tie me. No. That woman usually relate to man on a deeper level where him can't ignore it. You know? Him have to say, no, she different type. You know, that's something there and whatever. And them woman, they know if you keep man. You understand? Because them know the thinking of men. And them know what type of satisfaction and attention men need, just as a woman need them type of similar something there. You understand what I say? No, but here we go.
And some people don't take the time out.
No, here we go.
One more thing. Some people that took the time off, you know, them partner love language too.
Well, even
you
that
understand
too.
Me?
Even that too. Hey, you want to know when a woman is idiot? So, what you bring for keep a man and what? Me don't know, me have good sort out and me can watch, cook and clean. Anytime you hear a woman say that is a damn fool. It's a damn, I idiot man she get. I idiot man she get. And when them left her, she don't understand. But we do everything. No, you know, listen to me now, man. You're shallow and you're superficial and you don't even understand, you know, the multiple layers what men have. Just as a women have them multiple layers, men have them something too, and you don't know if you relate to people or whatever. No, anyway. Me have a show name.
You get to understand your partner too.
No, me hear what you say deep. But hear what I say. Me have a show name. Free up on YouTube. Me want you lock in. The next one at the 25th. Me want you call in. And me call you sound like somebody who...
Mr. Raga?
Yes, man. You have
Raga, me dey on it Saturday. Raga,
no.
Me dey on it Saturday. Me dey at the clinic at work Saturday and dey on it and can't call in Raga because which part me live?
Yeah.
Me dey 6 hours behind New York. And I say me want call in and can't call in. And I say beat my bad, me having me earpiece and can't call in, Raga.
Hold on. 6 hours behind New York.
Behind New York.
6? Then if California 3. No, tell me the region where you're there. No, I'm curious now. Eh?
I'm there Hawaii.
Hawaii. Oh, okay, nice. You know how long I want to go there? But anyway... Blessings.
Everything shut down, you know.
Yeah. You need to call the 25th. The next free up on the 25th. Right? No, give me a radio name. Let me see if I can give you a radio name. Let me see if I give you a radio name. Based on the mix-up where you just tell. All right. Let me say Patty Dunnings. We work with that for now. Patty Dunnings.
Patty Dunnings.
You done Miss Lady with her party. She brighty. I send her party and thing I want to come take away your man with box of party. Hey, Miss Lady, don't do it again. It not work. You can't get a woman good man. We work 2 jobs and send her to nursing school. And you want to come with 2 box of party and take with the woman, man. With couple box of party at the time. Remember your birthday. Remember your birthday for what kind of party. You need to send more. You need to buy wife something. You need to buy Miss Lady or something. Before you can get them real things about you want to come take with the woman good husband with box of party. You brighty.
Box of party. Thank God a tie never in there.
Don't it? Don't it because I use she with a tie. Go see how you drape her up. Then you tie me. Come here. Anyway, the 25th, you know. Yeah, party don't you have to call me the 25th here. Free up on YouTube the 25th, all right? Bless up here, cool.
All right.
Yeah, man, I love that little comments there. I love that little comments there. Well, on the president, what's that? Well, go through. All right, then. Yeah, man. I love that little comments. The next call. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes. All right, move away from the radio.
To you, but long time listening to you.
Please move away from the radio.
Oh, I'm in my bar, so it's like I'm a thingy, so you're gonna
yeah,
hear
but
it.
I cannot hear the radio in the background, yeah?
Yeah, I was just about to big up that lady that just called you and say some girl just know to take people man and don't know how to hold them.
Oh, you know that. Why you agree with that? Why are you agreeing with that?
Please, I have to agree because they're going to take it and still just get on one thingy and then seriously.
And what?
Seriously, they have to just come. The man have to just come back and say, yeah.
Oh, so that did happen to you. One woman take care of man and the man come right back to where the goodness they done.
Right. Turn on her back. Turn around
Jeez
and come
and
back.
peace.
You have to wonder why. Please.
What you mean why? Please. That means you have something good about you. He must go out there. He must go out there and I said, Jesus God, what is me go pick up and think the grass is green up on the others.
I like that girl.
Yeah.
Take the people them man. As well, then take the
man.
Hold on,
they know. So how long him did there with this other person when him did left you and gone to she? How long him did there with her?
I don't know nothing about long. You know when some girl want beg one man something.
Yeah.
And then beg man something carry the woman name to the man.
Yeah.
Beggy man, I not carry the woman name. Cause the man I come back and say, right here.
Oh, so them that style you up to the man and tell him all kind of things about you.
All type of things, and then he kind of realize what's going on.
Yeah.
I said, please.
And him just Lego that. So, but him used to brush her. Him used to brush her and she get 1 or 2 brushings though, right?
Not more brushing and no brush. That's you know when
No, what I mean is like him they take a couple brush off right and did one like him want left.
Credit done.
Your credit done. Okay, yeah.
I tell you. I need to talk to you like
okay.
Listen to you all the while in a Raga.
Yeah, man, you can call me back on the WhatsApp number, yeah.
Whatever. No,
yeah.
Okay, I'll try. But let me the internet something, you know, now work.
All right. We doing kind of rough down there, Jamaica. Which part of Jamaica you call from? Which part of Jamaica you call?
I'm in Old Harbour, St. Catherine.
Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Big up Old Harbour in a Raga place.
My name is
Rosie. Good as Rosie. Big up yourself, yeah?
Oh, please.
All right, then. Blessings.
I'll call you back sometime, some other time.
All right, then, man.
All right,
protection.
then
Cool.
Care.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up all Old Harbour, Linky, and anything from Spanish Town and thing. Della, you don't know Ellerslie, Tars, the whole work, Homestead, Villanova, all of them ends there, large upon yourself, yeah? Anything in a Spanish Town, Sligo Villa, all them ends there and them thing there, yeah? Angels and them ends there. Proper respect to the whole owner. Ratings locked, same way. Ragashanti Spanish Town, right? Some of my biggest show them when they there at Jamaica. My Spanish song. I remember one time when crazy storm come down. When I say, hey, place flood out. Then the time we did it on the Bus It Out tour. And the place locked same way. Johnny, remember that show there? Backside. People them are walking on some big puddle, some big woolly pot like them are swimming in the water. And we keep it sure same way as Spanish Town. So what happened to you and what we rate you? Cocodo, you don't know the Spanish Town League. Same way. I'm mad something. Them for know. Yeah, and you don't know that care where we're going in life. We keep it real same way. I see him Raga chat to them, man. And when I change, now switch. And we set to the core, foundation, indigenous, native, flex. Solid. Firm. Them for know. Wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up. Wedding mix-up or engagement. Yo, some people out there in some long engagement, you know. And them have faith. Them have faith that believe say it go on and them have own the people same way. How? I wonder how long. What is there a limit where you say no, past the limit your things start getting. How long ideally somebody should be engaged? Like, what do you think? Like an engagement? No, I think it's okay. I am guessing. I don't really know them something, but I'm guessing that it's okay if your engagement pass a year. Right? I think it's okay if all right, I think the society now going to say nothing if an engagement go for about, say, 2 years or so. But if I were to guess, I would think that once an engagement past 2 years and gone more, people are going to start saying, and start wonder, the engagement you long, or the engagement you long so, right? Yeah, me feel it's past 2 years. I don't know. That's just my guess. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Greetings, brother.
Manners and blessing. What I go do?
Yeah, man. I run my reason, man. I go on. I don't check in from what day.
Well, yeah, so creamy. A creamy them I call you. That me I work with, you know. A creamy, you know. A creamy them call you. Me them I call you Roman Reis. A creamy me I work with. A creamy them. Yeah, the way everybody I call you creamy. I think. See, what I go do?
Well, I'm there, so I topic for tonight. I'm just a check in, you know.
Oh, it does a check in. A wedding, either wedding or engagement mix up, you know. If you know any wedding mix up or engagement mix up, you know. That's the thing there, you see.
Oh, that's a little woman that talk about the party, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
She better mind the police woman lock her up when she come to Jamaica in a Raga.
No, but the way she talk, you know, hey, you know, the way she talk, you know, pick up the way she talk. No, but the way she first of all, you see, when you talk to people, you have to process the language and whatever. And me can tell you, say, you see the way she talk, she have some heavy links. She have some heavy links. You know, pick up that.
Feel so?
Yes, man.
Feel so?
Me feel she have some heavy links to the point where she probably have other police link to her. You know, pick it up. You never pick it up.
I'll add that again too.
Nah, man. The woman who that a woman. She got afraid of any woman because she a police. First of all, she don't know she a police woman already, right? And she, you know, see what she do. She all bite up the woman party where she send up and I send picture gear or whatever. Then that sound like somebody who afraid of her. Nah, man, but me as upon the real. Yeah. Then I hear she talk more time and she say, nah, because Ray, don't know if I'm gonna get a shot up, a kick or a chop. A shot, a chop, or a kick. Hey, you see a woman who talks to me, I tell you, you know. You see, she know, me and she can par. She can be like my sister, and I defend her. I mean, she defend me. But I couldn't do with she, you know.
Yeah. I rather one night,
I'm afraid.
A hotted girl call one night, you know.
Which hotted girl? What you mean? Which one?
Shelly B or Shelly D,
oh,
you know.
No, Shelly ain't hotted. Shelly just under the Ghana strength, the Ghana man strength.
Yeah,
no, she attack.
She know say the Jamaican man them bad and them Ghana man there, you know, rather.
Well, you know that the woman say she sleep with Jamaican man before, and she say when she sleep with the Ghana man, he man turn her over. Africa thing this now. Ghana she the right to know. The woman out for migrate go Ghana. So what you bad mind the thing for? The Ghana man them a star up our thing. How what?
Nah, man, Jamaica man can speak in tongues better than Ghana man.
Hold on. The woman never said nothing about no speak in tongues. I hear thing that creamy. Probably I know this of the man they either. Right? Probably the man thing different. You understand? Probably the man probably him say Papa tree straight. And you know that code there too. So we don't have to even elaborate upon that. Right? A Ghana thing there. A Ghana man thing there.
I give a married man mix up. You never look a married man link one time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell a man, say, trust man, a married man, the man. I say, I met the woman and her husband in a peer problem, Raga. Trust me.
Why you met the woman and her husband in a peer problem?
Yeah, because I tell you, so when me eat her cookie and cream, and I tell you, it's like coming like she don't want to go back to her husband.
Ah, Jesus, I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to leave the part there alone. We now go there, so... but
Raga, the woman take off, Raga, me up a wear all the man ring.
What you mean? Me not understand that.
Raga, no, the woman take off all the ring and give me and tell the man say I rob them. Raga, but he was going at that time, man, Raga.
She take off a ring where she have and give and say for real. I'm going to tell the man say I rob and take her the ring.
But he was going at that, Raga. That's that your next time.
All right, then. Let's say a word, man. All right. Jesus creamy.
I'm going to say she lose half of me.
Yeah. No, remember say you line up cookies and cream. Don't worry yourself, man. All right.
Yeah, man, Raga, man. So, Raga.
Yeah.
Me don't know, one night I try to call and the Jamaican line a pay problem with that. I wish night, one of them night, yeah.
Yeah, no, well, not the last night we're gone, a Friday night. Prezi said.
Friday night.
Yeah, several owners said the line did get problem and couldn't get in. I don't know what happened. But Prezi that sort out. Yeah, them say it deal with. Prezi say it deal with, Cause
yeah, man, I'm big up Prezi too,
All right, now say a word, man. Bless up. You're creamy.
Man.
All
yeah,
right,
man,
then
big up yourself,
Yeah, man.
All right, Raga.
All right, people, Free Up did go on good. I just want to say big respect to the item because Free Up, on my channel, my YouTube channel, Ragashanti World, the show go on good. I must say 4.5 hours the show go on for. I'm thanking you for the patience. I'm going to fix that thing there with the low, when the call of them sound too low. Now worry yourself, man. But, through me set up the whole thing, me never get to test that part there. But we're going to fix it and thing. And whatever. And remember, so the next Free Up with Ragashanti from my Ragashanti World channel, all right? The channel name Ragashanti World, right? That the next one is on the 25th of September, Saturday the 25th of September, 8 o'clock, New York time. So make sure you sound a log in and whatever because, we're going to build something over this. We're going to build a community over this. And again, I just want to remind you, right? You have to subscribe to the channel because you have to subscribe, I remember you have to have like a little email account in order to subscribe. Nobody afraid of that. Everything cool, man. Just make a little email account with Google and subscribe because I want to subscribe to the channel, all right? So you have to subscribe to the channel. And what the channel name? Ragashanti World, right? So you go over YouTube, just type in RAGASHANTI space WORLD World, Ragashanti World. We're not just do that right now too. Press, we take a break now. Phone call? All right. So while no, just do that right now. Just go over Ragashanti World and subscribe because the next Free Up the 25th of September, 8 o'clock. We want to log in. Right? And you don't know so over this, so we really free up. So the show nicer. Certain way because certain things can't talk. No. Next call. Hello, greetings.
Good night, Raga.
You know the night good. I'm troubling you, bro. What's up?
I'm here. All right. In regards to your topic, right?
Yeah.
I think traditionally, an engagement should be between 6 months, but you have some people who go longer than that. Because
6 months 6 months short. You don't think engagement like 6 months that short? Isn't it normal?
Really short.
Isn't it really short? You say I teach me, me never know that. So yes,
it's
in
not
general,
short because traditionally, right, in general, the engagement must not go beyond 6 months. But if it goes up to a year or so, that is understandable.
So what about 2 years?
Right.
What about 2 years?
Well, 2 years too long, Because if you propose to the person, right?
Yeah.
Why you want to wait another 2 years before you marry to them?
Oh, but so you say people nothing really propose unless them see what the wedding can happen in a certain time. Okay, but so enough people propose to keep the other person.
If I tell you, when you are a popular female artist, when it engaged for how much years.
Hold on, a popular female artist when it. What you say a popular female artist when it engaged for how much years? You say?
Yes, Raga, the man still end up don't marry to her. You know her to Raga, your friend Raga.
A lie you tell.
It's not lie, Raga. Everybody know her.
All right, well on there now. Don't call nobody name, because we don't want a name call her name. But I'm going to ask you a favor. All right? I ask you, I listen carefully, I ask you a favor right now, all right?
Yes.
Sing a song. Sing any song you want to sing, right?
For I won't worry myself. Hallelujah. You know, I'm wearing that track.
No, man, sing our next song. God, sing our next song.
She turned Christian, no Raga.
Oh.
But she not sing them song then no more.
Okay. Yes, it's my friend. Leave her alone.
Exactly. We don't say that friend, Raga.
It's my friend. Leave her alone. It's my friend. Yo, what did I easy, you know? What did I easy, you know? Yo, they don't know who them start pan already about that time. I watch what I want to unfold, you know. Them start beat Gracie already, you know. Them start beat Spice already, you know. All kind of thing attack and thing or whatever. But that's it.
No, the thing is, you know,
yeah.
Spice of engagement never really official, but your friend one Raga did official for many, many years and she still don't get the man.
No, but the man never go away. Come on, no, them did all involved, man. Look when the big clash did there, you know, see all the man did there, you know, the last big clash.
Yeah, but where's the Raga? The man never married to her. That's what we talk about, and him did engage to her for much years.
Oh, jeez. Right.
Every time you ask what's the status, she says she engaged.
So what you say? So upon the point that when I say some people engage to lock in somebody and just know so them not gonna marry the person.
Exactly.
But them
Okay. Never want to lose her.
Okay.
Stop the engagement.
But you know, so enough people do that something they do. Bust big engagement and know so them not marry the person, but them bust big engagement and just keep the person right.
They need to stop it.
Yeah.
They need to stop it, rather, because when you waste your years with some of them people, you can't get it back. Because when you get old, it's all very hard to find somebody who want to marry you when you get so old.
All right, but what kind of advice would you give? What kind of advice would you? What kind of advice would you give to this person? This young lady, I know, she have one good man, right? And we call her man security, right? But now she gonna pick up one Portuguese man. But then she kind of frighten the female, whatever, and I learned two Portuguese and whatever. But she engaged to the Portuguese man 1 year and 8 months now. What you think I got? She named Melissa Peart. Melissa Peart, she named. Me know when me call name, I know what me I do, right? So me know what me I do. Melissa, talk to Melissa now. She there with the Portuguese man. 1 year and 8 months now, them engaged to the Portuguese man.
She's a Jamaican?
She's a Jamaican, yeah. She all do
the man is there in Jamaica?
No. She live up here, though. But the Portuguese man, him dazzle her, you know, in carry her go Portugal and in carry her go Brazil and sitting there, whatever. But she engaged to him 1 year and 8 months now. Talk to her. Talk to Melissa Peart now. What kind of advice you give her?
She have papers, right? She's straight?
No, man. She good up here. No, she good up here. Not even PR. She good with the C. She good up here. That is not the issue. Right? But what you think now? Why you the advise her for the 1 year and 8 months now? She did it with the Portuguese man. What you have to say to her?
Well, that one kind of sound ticklish because if him knows it, well, obviously, man, have to be juggling for quite some time. So him knows, say, all right, no, I engaged to her.
Yeah.
But if it is the thing is, say for instance, the financial problems they have, they can marry small first, and then when things change for them financially, they marry.
No, I don't know financial problem. Hey, boy, money proper.
Then why am I wait for them?
That's why I ask you, talk to her. What would you say to Melissa Peart, who there with the Portuguese man?
Well, if him not look like him serious,
yeah.
Me not no more time I waste with him.
She need to go back to, and her old boyfriend security want her back. So and she said she still have feelings for security, but the Portuguese man, him proper and him thing global. So what you think? She feel left all that the niceness there with the Portuguese man and go there back with her humble boyfriend when I really have it like that?
Well,
you laugh on a well boat? Answer me straight. Answer me straight.
I understand.
Answer me straight. Answer what she do?
Let me ask you a truth. Someday you will love somebody, no longer.
Yeah.
You love them, but
talking iPhone. Yeah, if I'm but yeah, box shuffle.
Someday you will love some man.
Yeah.
But you love them, but the money not so right.
Right.
So you don't really want to go stay there and back and fight life with them.
Yeah.
You understand? You have some on the other side, you will find a man when financially stable, but in not talk the language where you want him to talk.
Yeah.
In not play the cards them where you want him to play.
So what woman do in that position then? What a woman do in that position then? Eh? What should a woman do in that position?
Well, give him an ultimatum. Because just as though feel money and feel thing and value my time and my thing and value too.
Okay.
So you see there you go. Do the right thing.
Yeah.
Or you go lose me.
Okay.
I mean, I go waste out all of my years. I wonder whether me going or me coming.
That's right. Melissa Pierre, listen. You hear what the woman say? You hear what the woman say? You need to give the Portuguese man an ultimatum. You need to give the Portuguese man an ultimatum. Not because him fly you to Portugal, right? Not because him fly you to Brazil. You need to give listen to me, Melissa. I hope you're listening. I hope you're listening. Okay. All right. You tell her, you know, you want her. You want her. You want her. Because him fly her go.
When you waste your time with a man, you cannot get it back.
Yeah.
You cannot get it back.
Him fly her go Portugal and all these things. And she did all I beg him for carry her go over Spain, you know, Portugal besides Spain and thing or whatever. And she say, you know, she ask him for carry her go over Spain. And him say, why you want to go Spain? And she said, because it's incredibly romantic. And you know, said the boy said to her, no, I don't want to do anything too romantic. You tell me now. A man fly you from the United States, go Portugal, right? And you and him dead. And Portugal are right beside Spain. Portugal are smaller than Spain. And all you said to him, I could cross the border a little bit and go visit like one little place. And him I go tell you, say, when him ask you why are you going to say it's very romantic over there. And him say him nah carry you. And then you still remain engaged to him. Tell me something now. What do you think about that? Before you go, what do you think about that?
What I'm about, him not serious. Him not really want married to me.
Okay. So why Melissa Pierce stay with him then?
Well, she must have her reasons, but like I say, when you waste your time with somebody, you cannot get it back. If you're in a relationship and you see it's not worthwhile, move right along.
I hope she listen, all right? She's another woman that give advice, Melissa Pierce. Okay. Thank you, your darling, and thank you for helping her out because she need a little advice and all them something there and thing. Because you have enough of them, you know, them not really yammed yet, but them are cocoa head and things, so you have to kind of help. Anyway, we're going to take a break. Big up yourself here. Big up yourself here. All right, people. Yo, we're going to break. We're soon. Melissa, you are the Portugal man. 1 year and 8 months you engaged to him. 20 months. 20 months, Melissa, could have was so. I make you attend so. Why you attend so, Melissa? Awa. No, sir. We'll take a break. We're soon forward.
New style, new flow.
The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
The boss. Yeah, man, welcome back up in that thing of Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Want to remind you that I'm on the show. This show is on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday nights. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday nights in Jamaica on the Bridge 99 FM, and it's from 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. 2 spicy hours. That's as good a time. That's a long enough time to do it and do it good. Hello. Wedding Mixup, Engagement Mixup, that's something that we're upon this week. Wedding Mixup, Engagement Mixup, we'll deal with that today and Wednesday and Friday. All right, but in the meantime, to the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello. Check. Hello.
Good night.
Yeah, where go down?
Not sure, go.
Yeah, talk up, look louder. What you say?
Yeah. You see, when you're a friend, you know, you say the man engage her for 18 months.
Yeah, Melissa
It really
Pierce.
matter, you know. Even though him engage her. I suppose she not really ready, but she just go with the flow just because she get the whole of money and thing.
Oh, okay. I never really ask her about that part there. I just know.
She just go with the flow. If him say yes, him ready, she ready.
Okay.
If him not push it, she just go with the flow.
Okay.
Look at it that way too.
Okay, because now that you mention it, she and him engaged 18 months, but she not really cuss about it, We just know so them engaged 18 months.
All right, she just go with the flow because him want it and she get the whole of likes and things.
Okay,
so.
and she and a young, strong girl too, So yeah.
She not in her ears.
Yeah. Young, strong girl. She in them martial arts. She do what you call it, jiu-jitsu.
Yeah, so she not really ready for that yet.
Okay,
so she just work with when things come with, she just say, I'm work with that.
So you think so she just enjoy herself, like when she go Portugal,
she just enjoy herself.
Yeah, and thing and go Brazil and all them something there and thing. She just,
and then another hand. If you are going to engage somebody for 2 years, you don't really know what you want because, first of all, you're supposed to know the person.
Yeah.
Try to know the person before you engage them. You can't, when you engage them, then you search and you do all of your research and all these things.
Okay. And at that time,
you're supposed to know the person, know everything, and say, well, I'm ready to settle down.
No, but you make an interesting point because when me think of him around the game, but I could have she around the game.
All of that too.
Don't.
And then when you're supposed to engage after you know the person and say, well, yes, I'm ready to settle down now. Yes, we have a plan with it. And then you can't say, well, you can't just say the next 6 months.
Okay, all right then. So you feel she probably, Melissa Pierce, she probably all right then.
She all right. She all right. Because see there, she the next door speed and she asked him to carry her over there. So.
Yeah, she asked him when them there Portugal.
She asked him not have another life over there. So.
Over. No, you're going too far now. Them never say nothing about another life over Spain. What you mean another life over Spain? Look how Spain big. Him could have carry her anywhere in Spain. Spain big.
Yes. But you don't know, man so terrible at times.
Okay. But she did really want to go Spain and him ask her. Him say, Melissa, she said, Melissa, why you want to go to Spain? And she said, I heard that it's very romantic over there. And him said, no, I don't want...
did love her so much.
Yeah.
Badly love her. I'm not give her heart desire.
Then that all we who hear what go on, I think I saw we are here it and we are say then, because boy, we having money, so we are say, him never carry her go Spain. And him no want carry her going to romantic. So why am I do to her Portugal if him never want romantic with her Spain? Why am I do to her Portugal and say him love her and him engage to her?
Engage her and him marry her and her heart desire is to go over by Spain. And you say no?
And him say no. Yeah. Last question in regard to Melissa Pierce though. If them call it up, she have a nice ring she get, If you see the ring, it's nice. You say, so tell me something.
Keep the ring.
She will keep her ring. She will keep her ring. She will keep her ring.
Yeah.
She will keep her ring.
Yeah.
Nice thing. Fat ass diamond she get, Proper diamond.
Keep it.
Okay.
At least she have something she can't frame it too.
All right then. Okay, well, I'm glad you make a little reasoning upon it and think. Because she'll listen, I see her, she'll listen. She the
she
the on the
just
Facebook
done
one.
Ready.
Yeah.
She meet him, yes, and he might give her everything and she happy.
Mm-hmm.
But I know everybody just ready for married young,
No, but all right, no, this is that to the last question with that. Him say, like before them engage and whatever, and them just a date. Him say, fear sort out are the best sort out him ever get in this world. What you think really are going on this? Because him is not Jamaican,
but what
remember?
about other things? You can't live, every day you're not going to live off of that. And guess what? When him and she live together, it all belongs to him. And then get it anytime, anyhow.
No, but me I wonder if I just sort out mash up him head, but him just engage her for wholly sort out, but
yeah, probably all of that. Probably him engage for whole and that. But that turn him in a fool. He probably not look at the other rest of things them.
Okay. But we see her going in November. She and him go Paris this time, so we see what
Oh.
going on over there. So them go Paris in
I take
November.
all of the trips.
All
then.
I trip
Take
them.
all the trips then.
Okay.
'Cause probably when she married, she not get them things there again.
Yeah, no, them did for go Jamaica and through the no movement thing. Them decide for go Paris,
Yeah, man,
which part
not-
movement
you know,
can
like-
go on. Yeah, movement can go on.
Like, take all right because
Take
the
all
day
right.
she married at the day
No,
probably
well,
all of that
she
stuff.
is taking all light. She get the whole light. Me I tell you.
Yeah, take it now because
You
me know
know,
when
me I
she
tell the
married.
whole light she a take. The whole light she a take.
If she married that man, probably she tell you say, you know, long we not going away. You know, long we
Look
not
how
travel.
that go have her like figurine pan whatnot though. But anyway, let me take our next call here. All right, blessing man, cool. Well, it's a Melissa Pierre, get some good advice there and thing and whatever. Melissa, the people, let me help you out. Yeah, hello, wagwan. Yeah, hello.
Me a yame the whole on a if me a yame the whole on a church head.
Well, hi, Melissa, what's up? Melissa. Melissa. What you calling? Wagwan, Melissa, what going on? How are you? Hold on. Where you calling from? Are you in the US or are you in Portugal?
Or 11 o'clock, after 11, I'm just a come from Chick-fil-A. That's why the man now married to me.
No. Hold on. What time is it in Portugal now? Wait, 11:34. What time in Portugal now? I want to know. How many hours? How many hours are this? How many it's a 5? How many it's a 6 in Portugal now? At what time? Me just a check or whatever. Yeah, all right.
I wouldn't know, but I wouldn't know, but here in New York it's Chick-fil-A time.
Oh, okay. So yeah. So you on the day. So what Mr. Man them the Brazil I'm there up here. Eh?
Me don't know if I tell you.
Oh, you know what I tell you.
He left me.
You know, that the man then I left you. Because I know your time with the good.
What it take?
Your time with the good.
What it
Huh?
You just the earth.
Huh?
Start out.
Eh?
Good luck. Cooking and cleaning, don't keep man.
Yeah. Nah, but then I know say some man frightened for Juju, you know that. Some man frightened for Juju. Some man get good work and then right away them say them in love. Hey, listen to me.
Me don't want them man dear.
Some man get good work and talk about them in love. Any man. Ladies, listen to me. Any man when you run little thing on him and right after I'm done him say him in love. I idiot man that, don't there with him. You must know where you get from him, but don't there with him because I idiot man that. You understand? So what me I say, you don't know, because we know say your man say you're good like that. His man say you're good like that. Oh. So we know where I'm going right
Tell the lady I will take her.
Wait, listen now, your phone have an idiot phone you have, you know, so it go in and out like your head when you're there around Mr. Portugal right now. So that phone there nothing going
Yeah, you know?
Huh?
Yeah, you me know?
Huh?
Yeah, here.
Huh?
But, yeah, hear me.
Oh, God. All right, Melissa, big up yourself, boy. You eat Chick-fil-A at 11.
Big up.
You eat Chick-fil-A at 11:36, and then all of a sudden you go post picture. Lord, me on the weight, me a back with the weight, but see there, 11:36 at night. You eat Chick-fil-A. You eat Chick-fil-A. All right.
Listen, that is where, hold on, that's where the lady wrong.
Mm.
So when the weight gets too much,
Yeah.
it's a Portugal, I'm going to send you to Colombia, but suck it out. Suck out the fat. Okay.
What you say a while ago? What you
When
say?
the fat get too much, I can't manage it no more. Mr. Portugal go send me to Colombia,
Yeah.
to suck out the fat.
So when the fat get too much, I can't get it. Him send I go Colombia, go suck out the fat. And you refer to plastic surgery.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
No, you can't do that. When you go say them something, you have to warn me, you know. Raga you talk to, you know. A raga you talk to, so you can't. No, me know say plastic surgery you talk, but you can't attack to raga. And all of a sudden you're just throwing something where involved, where have the language of suck out the fat. You can't. You nearly traumatized me a while ago, because I go say, but you were so bright with it too.
Hold on.
Huh? Huh?
You know, sir?
Huh?
Married people that hear
hear that and them get traumatized.
Why?
Engaged people, we hear that and it come like nothing.
Nothing.
Engaged people, we hear that and it come like nothing.
Oh.
But married people, them hear that and them get traumatized. Cause, it's like a new language to them.
Yeah, the married people, the married people, their mind weak to them something, but engaged people, no strong with them thing, they don't. Come on, 5 phone. I'm going to eat your chick. Go and eat your Chick-fil-A. Raga loves you.
Bye, my darling.
Bye, sweetie pie. God. We TamFamers, we are mad people. We are mad people. All right, I have about 22 minutes left. Me want some more wedding mix-up and engagement mix-up. Right? And do remember, so make sure say on go on all social media platforms. Jamaica, what is the station name? The Bridge 99 FM. What is the station name? The Bridge 99 FM. What is the station name? The Bridge 99 FM. So just like and follow all at the Bridge. Now, let what you that must go right about that. Look what she write. Put it in a cap. Suck it out. I tell you, you're lucky in that. The Avram is see you too. Tanya Makar, yeah, man. Nakita Williams and things. Sham, yeah, Foundation, TamFamers, them, you know. I'm a people, them, I'm a family, them. Mad. Yeah, so, well, yeah, make sure you follow the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. Lock that and things, saying. The Bridge 99 FM, brand new station in Jamaica, going with BS something and thing. And we want Jamaica, we want you to spread the word. And do remember, Sir Ragashanti depend this Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights in Jamaica on the Bridge 99 FM, right? From 9 o'clock in the night until 11. I don't know. We have a look at distraction and we look at entertainment. I run an entertainment talk show. That is how my thing branded. Enough people understand it. And then they go on with one bag of problem with their insistence that because of my qualifications and my credentials, I should not be behaving the way that I do, with their arrogance in their attempt to define my life and how I should behave and how I should conduct myself and what I should find as fun and what I should be allowed to do and not do on radio and all these things and whatever. And they don't see that they're being quite rude, quite rude and insolent, in their in them being so determined, to tell me what to do, which basically is to appease the constructs that they live by, But me not live for them, I live for myself. I'm there for make you laugh. I'm know for make you laugh. I'm know for keep up a little energy and entertain. And do remember, so we said the 25th, the 25th of September is the next episode, the next edition of Free Up on the Ragashanti World channel, the Ragashanti World channel on YouTube over there. So a bag of content over there for you to enjoy. So you go over there right now and all you do, you just subscribe. Raga asking you for subscribe. So I'm going to take a break right now. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm asking you to go over to YouTube right now, type in Ragashanti World, and subscribe to the channel right now. Do that for me right now during the break. Do that for me right now during this break. Go over to YouTube, put in Ragashanti World, find me yard. And this one me yard on social media. And subscribe to that channel right now. Do it right now. Right when I break, we soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, up and I juggling with the up and I juggling proper. And I don't know, so we have a President, something that block your time. Let me see what I'm going. Yeah, we're doing in about the last President, shift over that something there. Shift over that window there. Yeah, all right then, good. We have about 15 minutes to go right now. See, someone want to call in and give me some wedding mix-up or engagement mix-up. The WhatsApp number is 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. Yeah, that number. Hold on, press someone for take your call. Hello.
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 Well, go on, my friend.
Where you, Mango, where you say? Yeah. Mango, you start up that something over here again?
With what? Nobody with the foolishness.
No, but you call when the show are done. You call when the show are done.
Nobody with it.
No, but you call when the show are done. Mango.
Me could talk, no.
All right.
Talk, no.
Let me hear where you go, sir. Let me hear.
With it.
All right, then. Wagwan.
Just give me the one, you know.
Where you say Wagwan?
Why yesterday was my girl niece's birthday and certain people I care about and more publicly tell the girl the happy birthday. She's special like that to me. So that's why I call you sure early. Me not try done your show. Anyway, upon the wedding mix up now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yo, one time, you know, I know this youth time run scam like him I take photo up on the people them wedding. And not a feminine ragga in the camera and them did I take all kind of picture of the people them, you know. And I say, yeah man, me mail you the pictures them and everything. And the people them swear say the man did take picture of them and I just saw them go around and run scam right here in Florida.
No, but how him get?
Can you imagine somebody wake up at daytime think about that?
No, but how him get to do that how him get to do that over and over again? Usually them something.
Him got the people them him know the wedding like them know the people them and him go at the wedding him all go party and go video the people them party and when the people them ask him like for the video, him not a video him have for them and he make them like prepay the deposit and stuff like that.
And then him keep get her with that.
Scamming mix up. Yeah.
Okay,
and
Mango.
Them wicked and dangerous.
Okay.
What?
Oh, God, Mango, you're sampling, you see it?
Anyways, you have a good night, okay?
All right, boo-boo.
Happy belated birthday, Nisi. I'm making
yeah, man. Big up Nisi, man.
Still walking, no bother with the Ragashanti.
Virgo Nation.
Have a great day, Ragashanti.
Yeah, but don't call them if you like. Nobody call when the show are done. Come here, cuss out your nastiness, right? Nobody call when the show are done. Because you love that something there.
Go on, yeah, me just listen.
Yeah.
Go on, yeah, me just listen. You think you have to call you.
All right. Raga loves you. Raga loves you. Okay. That is Mango. Big up Nisi, you know. Okay, she celebrate Nisi a proper TamFam and thing. And Nisi celebrate her 67th birthday. So I have to give thanks to her. A long time she one of them will start. She even older than the one we call T-Rex, a dinosaur, Tina. So her Nisi is 67, and that's a good age to reach in them time, yeah. So, happy birthday, Nisi. Virgo Nation upon them. Next call. Hello.
Hold on there.
Eh?
Mango, you really come back over here with them stiff joke, the brethren.
May I tell you, though, it lame. May I tell you, Mango mine, show whatever. Some day may I say, yeah, man, 15 minutes ago, energy. Yeah, Raga, so a man go around and take people picture and a picture not in there. Okay. You can't talk to her for me. No, you can't talk to her for me, Karen. You can't talk to her for me.
We just let know from Mango call when the show are close to end.
All right, tell me how I go on this. Why Mango love to call when the show are done? Why? She love that something there. Mango love to close off. So when things are close off, you have to try and get the energy up. And Mango love to close off. I don't care how we chat to Mango.
Business with that.
Mango does still a call when the show them are done. What you know? Remember, hold on. Mango did not do that when the show, when me had the Tambourine radio in the day. Right? This is a late night show, Jamaica time at 9 to 11, up here at 10 to 12, right? That means at the time now, at minutes to midnight, and Mango decide for call it. Yeah, Raga, me have one thing, man. I mash you up with that one, yeah. You know, so I'm gonna go and take people picture in the camera them. What a thingy!
What she said? Yeah.
You can't believe, no, you hear what she said? She said, yeah, you can't believe the people of here wake up to that. Yo, well on.
Miss you. God
No,
miss you, man.
no, and that, well on, no. And you see that last part there? That was fear we alone for nice it up right and make it thing turn up, you know. When she said when she said that last part there, you know, I fear we that for say, yo, watch out, you know, yeah. You know, so one man go around and him take picture of people wedding and them event and give them get a picture in the camera. You can't imagine people wake up to them so Mango, you're the best. Oh, God. Oh, no, but I'm glad you call in and say it, you know, because Mango, me think say me a pick panaka. Me know say one of the ear Mango, what me know say the whole on a cuss. Me know say the whole on a cuss. Like, seriously, Mango?
No, when she call in, I'm a bust out a laugh and say, hear that stiffness, you know.
You say, hear that pop down joke, you know. Hear that pop down joke, you know. I tell you, and then, you know, you saw me here and said, Mango, why my friend? I was like, oh, no, God. Mango, I know why you misinterpret it, you know. Because one thing I like with you, you take your beating, you never ever complain. I see some people get beaten over here and then ball. All right? And we say thick skin and broad back, I do it. And Mango ever take her beating and hold it. Even when, as she said, the way the beating did wicked, it makes she have to look into herself one time. And
oh, God, me don't shall call back and cuss me. Mango, I miss you. God know when you call, I was happy, but me didn't know where you don't come with. As a regular, you do this.
No, what you mean? So what, so she couldn't call in with something to turn up? She could have called in with like a real good.
Mango, we talk about.
What you say, Mango, we talk about? It's not going to happen, though. I'm a friend, though. I'm a charge. So you understand. I will general that. And she said TamFam, so you know, say, oh, real things did. Anyway, now bounce another call before me leave,
Jesus,
yeah?
not again.
Eh?
Anyway, I might have got to tell you congratulations by the time that game you're done.
That's right.
But I'm praying it don't happen because...
Raiders! Okay.
Anyway, Ray who? Did you say Ravens?
Whatever,
Thank you so much for acknowledging my team. Good
Wrong
night.
R.
Good
Wrong R.
night.
Raga loves you, boo. Next call, Prezi.
Governor.
What you say, striker?
You good?
Me there, man.
So everything?
Everything proper and everything curry, you know. Everything plug in and light there. You see me?
What you mean?
Just a juggle on some call in the last half year and thing. Everything proper with you?
Yeah, man. We have life, so hope steady.
All right, it goes some, man. Blessings and respect.
Yeah, I want to look a piece of mix up my guest still with my family when she get married, you know.
Box me in my dirty nastiness with it. Send on.
I have a cousin, boy. She did have this man every minute them war, you know.
Yeah.
Every minute them war.
Yeah.
And besides, so them are going to get married, but me and I did a plan for going and want to look at business, and she said she not going to do the business, she not going to get married. So I said, then you can't do the business and then make way. Then after you're married, she said, no, once in a lifetime a girl get them off of there, and she not turn it down.
See.
So, the night before them get married, no, Raga, you don't know a family wedding, you know. So, I not plan to eat nothing too much the Friday, you know, because the Saturday a wedding and I clean up there, so.
See?
When our family are going to wedding, 9 thing, when I say food shell.
Turn up, yeah, one
so, I just go and drink some tea for go and keep the gas away, because you don't know.
Yeah.
I say, Raga, the night me there, when me there, me hear big war down the road, you know, Raga. That time I go do here and fix up already for Saturday, you know.
Yeah.
Just blow, watch you know. So you want me now. Me can't bother go and fast no longer. Then me have to go just run, go to the road and try get piece of jerk chicken and go and bounce because wedding put off.
Yeah.
I go out and see way and go do my little juggle and come back. Cause from the wedding, in myself, I said the wedding put off. When time I there, yard, I come back early still that day there. Me there, yard, me here, and I blow out the door. I say, wait, I go on. So I go out there, go look. And I see somebody in the car back.
Yeah.
And she show to me. I say, wait, I say, Raga, from a barn, I first me see that girl pretty so. The girl pretty so till me they even know say I'm a family to all the girl pretty. So me I say, oh, you still are going with this? Hello?
Yeah, man, me there, man, yeah.
me, you still are going with this? She said, yeah.
Yeah.
Me say, then me not think it put off.
Yeah.
She said, no, me for just go come. Me did have a little change. Try something for go fit and carry come because she give me something for put on. Me say, but wait, where you still are going? Raga, you know, so me just jump on a bicycle because I couldn't ready for catch the service. I must the reception, the right spot where me did one day. But me definitely want to see what go on there. So
yeah, you have to about 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes. You have 3 minutes.
Yeah. When we reach at the church, you know, Raga, you know, so them could have all the kiss car people all that. No kissing couldn't go on in mouth right off.
In
mouth. The big fight to put on. For the groom, mouth right off, because the night with them fight, mouth right off, you know.
She bust up in mouth.
And still go on the next day, and mash up, you know, and wouldn't go on the next day.
John, no. You'd have married, if you have somebody that want big, dirty, drawn out fight, and then bust up your mouth and all them something, everywhere mash up, and you'd have still married.
Then on the night before, that shouldn't bother go on. That's why me think so that shouldn't go on. You see, when time them there at the reception, or I know when time them make them toast and knock the glass. She has queen to me because she don't want the glass and not the time. Can't take no more kiss, you know. I'm out under pressure, you know. When I tell her I go close to her, I say, suck off him lip hard. And she point to me and say, no, my mouth are full of blood. I know the mouth are bleed.
Bombard star. Yo, me not hide and talk. No care how me rate any woman or whatever. Me and that woman now having a fight the night before the wedding, and she bust up my mouth and all them something there and whatever, and my mouth right off. And then the next day, me and her married. That now go on.
That's for me know say never ever go last for a because you see from it not giant good, it can't continue.
See it there. See it
there.
Never
last.
And then, me not for ask you, it never worked. It never worked. The wedding never worked.
No, them pop a long time, man. Them pop a man.
And you know, so when you're there wedding and them lick the glass, that mean them for kiss again. So she wink and tell them to stop licking glass because it lick.
And 2 me know what go on every minute. Me a clump. I never 2 vibes, me know.
So you just stop licking glass and I say, suck off your bust up lip.
Queen to me every minute. Gonna tell me to stop it. And me a tell her when me no want it. Me a tweet another family them say for do it. Raga, me nah like me get to that day.
All right, me have to let go here.
Yeah, man, guidance.
Striker, big up yourself in the ratings and everything. You don't know. All right, people. All right, people, you know, so that's the thing that why, you know, we keep it short and spicy. It's all good. You know, so me I juggle back, you know, today Monday, Wednesday night, today I'm back again. And I don't know, say, Jamaica time at 9 to 11. US East Coast time at 10 p.m. till midnight. I want a big respect to all the people up in America who online and who not juggle and listen and think because who not listen upon the app. Big respect to all of the people in Jamaica and thing and whatever. Big respect to Carol Hall who listen every night in London. I don't know how to do it, you know. You understand because that's a 2 to 4 in the morning there, you know. How it go? I saw it go 2 to 4, yeah. 10. No, that's a 3. 3 to 5 in the morning, she have to listen and think. Big up on yourself, people, again. And do remember, go over to my YouTube page and just kind of subscribe over there. Remember, so the next free up with Ragashanti is Saturday the 25th at 8 p.m. on Ragashanti World on YouTube. Yeah, me see that. Okay, Ragashanti World on YouTube. We see it, press it, we see it. All right. Bless up on yourself. I don't know, say it's all about the Bridge 99 FM. I am there. I hear some new year at Jamaica thing. Big up for yourself, the whole of Jamaica. Mark and Britain and the whole works large up Augustown, Southside. But I don't know, for Ivan. And all of my ghetto fabulous people, I'm my country people, I'm large up. All of my revival people, I'm in the name of Miss Cherry, my mama. Big up on yourself, love and respect, same way. All indigenous folk farms. We talk about Kumina, we talk about Garibenta, we talk about Brookings, we talk about Quadrille, we talk about Mento and all of them. Some the large up on yourself, same way now. Yeah, and that's the thing there. Go over to YouTube right here now and subscribe to my channel, Ragashanti World. Make it happen right here now. Some great things are going to happen over there. Take care of yourself, people. I'll be back on Wednesday and we're going to continue this wedding mix-up thing. My God! Them saying enough for some Ghana, Jamaica. But so forward.